Hi guys, Susan here. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Thanks guys for joining us. Today we're going to be making some delicious electrically grilled Char Siu pork. Just look at that beautiful, red, glistening, juicy pork right there. Please guys, please do support us by giving us a like if you enjoy the video. And also remember to hit that bell icon and subscribe for more of our videos coming soon. Alrighty then, let's start. We are going to be using some pork belly today as our char siu. We found that it works nicely because it has layers of fat in between. If you can find a nice good piece of pork belly, as you can see here. We're going to slice this into about 5 pieces, and then we're going to start some hammer time. We're going to use our spring-loaded meat stabber here. Has many nails inside there to tenderize the meat so that it absorbs all that delicious sweet marinade. First we're going to layer our pork pieces like this on our plate. It's going to be marinated overnight so that it absorbs all that flavor. First we are going to sprinkle some salt all over the surface of our pork belly here. Then we're going to sprinkle some white pepper. Just a light dust is fine. Now in a small bowl we'll prepare our wet ingredients for the marinade. First we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. There we go, a good dollop. And next we are going to use 3 teaspoons of light soy sauce. There we go. It doesn't need to be perfect, just as long as you get those 3 teaspoons in there. And next we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. It's kind of salty at the moment with all these sauces, but later on when we start to cook it, we're going to counter it with all the sugary goodness. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. There we go. Look at that beautiful oil there. Now 1 teaspoon of Chinese rice wine or Guangdong Maijiao. This helps to get that so mei or porky smell away. And we can't forget the char siu sauce, 3 heaped teaspoons of that sugary goodness. There we go, and another one. Sorry for the mess. And this is hoisin sauce, hoisin zheng. There we go, 3 teaspoons of that. Okay, just look at that thick sauce right there. Now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of red fermented bean curd. This really adds the color we're looking for. And then a half teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Right now this mixture here is so aromatic, it's clearing my nose. And then 3 teaspoons of sugar. We're busy countering all that saltiness now. There we go. This is Knorr chicken powder here. It's a little bit lumpy because of all the moisture. And now we're going to whisk everything together here. Just look at that thick goodness there. And now we're going to layer it all over our pork here. Now I'd prefer to wear some plastic gloves to do this, else your hands will smell very char siu after this. And you'll just massage into every nook and cranny there. And we're about to grill it now. The pork has been marinated for at least overnight. We're preparing our glaze here. 1 teaspoon of maltose syrup. And we're going to dissolve that with a little bit of hot water. And then we're just going to break it apart and stir until it looks very syrupy there. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This gives it more flavor and the color as well. Going to add in our char siu sauce again. There we go, a good dollop. and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. There we go. And again, some red bean curd sauce, fermented bean curd. Even if there's no bean curd, that syrup there is good enough. And we're using 1 teaspoon of golden syrup. And then we're going to mix this very well and blend it until you get like a nice reddish orange sauce. And now we're going to start grilling for 50 minutes. We just took these straight out of the fridge. Maybe left it to get to room temperature for about 5 minutes before we place them on our electric grill here, preheated. And as you can see, it's already a little bit of char grilled here. And all you're going to do here is keep on moving it around every 5 minutes so that all the sides are grilled equally. And we're going to be showing you clips of I think about 5 or 6 intervals of us grilling it, and you can watch it change color. Look at all that smoky goodness and that glaze there already happening by itself. A little bit of charry goodness there also that brings out the smoky Char Siu flavor. We like using this electric grill because it's easier to control the temperature so that we make sure that we're not burning it. I think when we started to cook this, it was on high temperature, and then we moved it down to medium-low to cook it slowly. There you go. As you're cooking this, we cooked this for about 1 hour, but as you're sitting there rolling it around, your mouth will start to water. Just look at that smoky goodness there. It's sizzling and bubbling all over. And now it's time for the glaze. After 50 minutes, we're going to glaze it with the brush for the last 10 minutes of its cooking time. Okay, let's do it. We've already glazed it. Just layer on that glaze mixture heavily, and then cook it on low temperature, because after it's been glazed, it's going to char quite quickly. So just watch it a bit. Maybe roll it about every 3 minutes now instead of 5 minutes, else it might get too dark for your liking. Okay guys, here's our perfect char siu here. We can't wait to eat this tonight for our dinner. It's smelling so good and it's so juicy and tender. Just look at that. Oh yeah, I bet you want to eat this for dinner as well. Come join us. Please remember to subscribe, like, give us comments on how we can improve, or what else you'd like to see us do. This is Susan signing out. Gotcha, gotcha. Till next time. Oh yeah. Come and have dinner with us tonight. Gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Till the next video, guys. This is Susan signing out. Bye-bye.